Okay, good morning and welcome back to LMM Family Adventures. I've got Mida and Madison with me again today. There they are over there. They found the cat. We are at 3Rivers Trails, but we are not doing a ride today. So there's no mountain biking today. We are here for hiking. So we are going to enjoy a nice, I reckon, 1.5 to 2 hours walk. We're going to see what's happening and where we're going. We haven't done a hike here before. This is actually a group hike, like a family hike. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Madison says she wants to carry the camera, so I'm going to let her carry the camera. And if she doesn't carry it so nicely, I'm going to take it away. She's having fun with the cat at the moment. So okay, but we're going to catch you guys later. And we'll see how the day goes. There we go. Somebody else going for a ride on there. What you doing? Madison?
That's your face.
Okay, so we are on our way. We've got everybody here behind. So we are doing a forest walk. And we will see somewhere in the forest how it goes. Yeah, it's cooling down. Yeah, start warming up. This is where we came out, Mida. We came out here the last time with the bikes. Okay, it's nice and muddy around here. Opa, opa.
That's fluffy.
Yeah. Okay. This section of the trail is still nice and wide. What's that, Mida? I don't know. See, somebody's already been here with a mountain bike, or is this? No, that's just something else. A car, that's a little bit too narrow for a car. It looks like a mountain bike, eh? Yeah. Okay. Alright, then we're going to go down underneath here. Yeah. Now we go off from the one we rode. Yeah. Come to the side, Madison. Side. Okay, we are walking through the tunnel. This is nice and woo-hoo! Hey, look at that. Okay, just watch where you're walking here because there's going to be a little bit of water. Okay, to the left, to the left. To the left, stick to the left. Okay.
That's how you want
Okay, so yeah, we have started the trail section itself. Okay, now if there were, you wouldn't be able to walk here. Okay, nice little bridge over there. Nice. Okay, so yeah, we've got red. We go this way, and then we come back this way. Something. So there's a bit of two. Warren, where do they split off and we carry on? Further down. Okay. Plenty other places. Yeah, because accidents can happen so easy. Not just that, you can fall and slip. Did you finish your snack, baby? Okay. Now you got plenty of energy for now. Yes. No, but I have chased one before. Well, they call it a forest hike, okay, baby? Okay, so this is just a bit of fun. Okay, so we thought the trail was going to be about 5 k's. It turns out it's actually about 7 k's, but that's cool. We've got plenty of water. You can see the girls have got camelbacks on. So we've got plenty of water. We've got snacks over here. Energy bars and that. Eh? Yeah. Okay, so this is also something that the girls can and myself can do more often. Is little hikes like this. 3Rivers, yeah, just the 3 of us. 3Rivers is not too far. When we come here for mountain biking, we can come here for trail walks and that as well. No, this is old trees that have fallen over. This is what you use later for firewood. Okay. Alright, we're going to switch off for now and then we'll catch up now again. Okay, so this is a section where I think we split off. As you can see there, you got forest hike. It goes off to the left over here. They were next group. Who's the tail end from Warren's group? Black Forest. Black Mamba.
There's my team stop.
Okay. Awesome. So yeah, we're going to the forest line. Okay. Okay. So that's a turn off, yeah. Watch the fence. Oh, you just walk straight, gee. Watch the fence. Okay, under we go. Alright. Now we are on the forest hike and let's see. Madison.
Hello, can you go? I can play the music.
Okay, go. Yep. Eh? I have no idea. I didn't even think about starting on a watch for this, baby. Literally in the forest, and we've got about 6 k's to go. Probably not, my baby. Now, walk here, yes. Oh, it's gonna be an old, a lot of trees and forest and. Okay, we'll catch up with you guys now. I think we've done about a K or so, and we'll see how it goes. Catch up with you now. Okay, so yeah, we've got a step section. You can see there, steps coming from the top there, going all the way down to the bottom. Oh, careful, you're right. Okay, alright. Yeah. And then Google will tell you what it is, yeah? Yeah. You're struggling with it a bit.
That will show you if you want to.
Yeah, it's signal over here.
You guys alright? Yeah, when we come back.
Yes,
They're coming back now.
just trying to find out what plant that was. But okay. You're allowed to take pictures and everything, baby. That's why I'm recording, I'm taking photos. So I put this stuff on YouTube so that people from overseas can also see it. Eh? Yeah, because you're shorter than what these branches are, eh? Oh, this is a stink bomb. You cut this thing down or anything and it stinks. Oh, I'm calling Tarzan. Oh wait, Tarzan's here in front of me. You're right there. You hold on to the trees, baby. Eh? Okay, step it up. Put your feet sideways, eh? Use the rocks, use the rocks. You're right there, Maddie. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Spikey spike. Alright. Okay. Everyone alright? Okay. Got a nice little river over here. It's where you swim underwater, but the pipe is above the...
It's a big deep rock.
Okay. Yeah, watch your step, eh?
Rocks are slippery.
Walk on that edge. Yeah. Watch.
You want to swim in this? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. This fell over. Must have been a tall tree, eh? Okay, are we all good? Okay, we can go. Yeah, good, good. Okay. Woo. Slowly, Madison. Try and step and don't jump, Angel. Okay. All right through. I reckon this river actually flows quite nicely when we've had a lot of rain, eh? Yeah. Sorry, that rock is a bit loose. Choose your step carefully, yeah. Got it, thank you, Angel. Yeah, okay. That one over there is very slippery, eh? Yeah, that big flat one. I thought it was going to be okay, but it wasn't. Yeah, maybe come down. Yeah, that big, now there's big flat one by the water here. Yeah. Are you gonna take a photo? Must I stand here? No, we didn't sign the same indemnity form. It's there where they got all of the maps of the trails. There's a book over there that you normally sign. Yeah. That's when you come and you pay the trail rates, not our rates. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Okay, and guys, just to remind you, this is 3Rivers Trails out here by Crossways in PE side. So if you ever come to SA for holiday or to Eastern Cape, make a turn over here. They've got lots of trails and they've got mountain biking trails. So there's trail running, there's hiking, there's mountain biking, all of that type of stuff. Yeah, this is awesome. And don't forget, this is LMM Family Adventures. Like and subscribe. There we go. There we go. Now you got it. There's a rock over there. Step on it. Yeah, just like that. See, you got your free talk. So only about 2Ks, 5 to go. Hey, not a bad judge, eh? Yeah. Yeah, no, you know, you just walk. And you look at your watch when you finish the game. They're nice and high up here. Still on the red game. That's a nice thing about 3Rivers Trails. Their trails are well marked. So that's very nice. You often find trails that are not marked so clearly and don't actually have a lot of markings out. 3Rivers, they got markings out quite regularly. So it's very well looked after, maintained, marked. Very nice. Okay, slight bit of an uphill. So session yeah, that too.
Careful not to fall.
5 seconds before the break.
Yes, baby.
Send me something.
take a quick break.
Hand you what?
Everybody,
No. Drink your water, but you're gonna finish your stuff. You're gonna be hungry, Nana. You're not having midday and my stuff. You've just eaten, Nana. You can't eat again now already, baby. You're finishing your food. You need to go slow on your snacks.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Eh? Okay.
It lives, this is not its food. So when you grow an orchid at home, you don't put water into it because it just creates mud. Orchid actually gets its water from its stem and its roots. So if you grow orchids at home, you're going to spray them, not water them.
Okay. Okay, we are a little bit further down. Still in the thick of the bush. Girls are still good. Madison's there up front. Girls, you having fun? Okay, Madison said no, it's alright. So in other words, she's having fun. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That part left from a...
Oh, we're talking about actual rice.
Okay. Okay, they want us to wait a bit. Okay, so let the group catch up. We've got animal trails over there. Okay, so we got another split off, but I think this is where it loops around and then goes back to that split. So it's like a in and out of that trail. So, okay, everything is good. Wait.
This is so nice. Whose legs are tighter?
Not mine.
I'm gonna have to run to my mouth now.
Yeah. Because you had too much sweets, eh? Are you enjoying this? Huh? You having fun? There you go. So we're about, what, 2.5 k's, eh? And about halfway. Girls are still having fun. We're still in the bush. So yeah. Okay. And you must also drink some water for yourself, eh? Okay, because you get energy from the water, baby. Same as when you're mountain biking. You get energy from the water. Alright. Okay, everybody up. Okay, moving on. A steep downhill. Okay, Madison, feet sideways, baby. Dig your feet in a bit. You're just trying to walk like a penguin to slow yourself down. Yeah, you only listen to other people, never to me. Eh? There we go, slowly, Bubby. For who? For you? Is it?
Everybody good?
Everyone good?
Okay. No, you can leave it open, the water shouldn't come out. Okay.
Go down sideways. Go down sideways.
Nice and steep.
the bridge. Do you see it?
Yeah, see the bridge?
If you look here, you see the old road?
The old.
Melanie, were you a prefect? Guys, this is so sweet.
Yeah. So slowly, eh? Watch your step, eh?
Sideways, side speed.
You see, there's a bridge.
Yeah. There's the bridge over there. Okay. And then the old one is down there. Oh, there we go. All right. Awesome. Okay.
Alright, don't be scared, you'll be alright.
Watch your head, baby.
I'm currently on this side.
Yeah. Okay.
Be careful not to slump. Use side foot. Use your side feet.
Bye. Okay. Nice and dark over here. Ooh, ah. All right. Smile for the camera. What does it do? Like and subscribe. That's what you meant to say. Not jump off. Nobody's jumping.
Scared of heights, try not to be scared.
Okay.
Then me and you have to go.
Yeah.
And I see the same thing.
Well, we don't have to just wait for something like this. We can come anytime we want to. Yeah. Not yet. We got to catch up to that loop, that split, and then we go back in the same.
Everyone alright?
Yes. Uncle Keith. He's busy playing a squash tournament at the moment, baby. That's another sport where you're on a court and you hit a soft rubber ball against the wall, and there's two people at play. And when the ball comes back, the next person must hit. And then you short turns, short turns like that. That's called squash. And Uncle
Everyone
Keith
okay?
playing a 4-day tournament. Okay, we are on our way back. Alright, watch your step up, eh? Middle support the chin hits. Yeah. So yeah, we're on our way back. See how it goes. So this should now pretty much be a lot of easy and down.
Everyone alright?
Yes, I heard a yes at the back. Your voice carried.
Good. Good.
Okay, because we started the walk a little bit early, because it's still a little bit chilly, and I didn't think of taking the jacket off. I'm actually cooking over here. But yeah, next time I'll remember to bring arm warmers and put my jacket in the car. Nature is beautiful, guys. Nature is beautiful.
It's nothing, I can push more. Something is wrong. What is happening? I'm like, no, right now.
You want to
I'm like, no. I was dying. But also one thing. The more
I keep my feet on my leg.
I'm not too sure.
Bend down. Bend down. There's a place I have to bend down. Down. Down.
Yeah, but a lot of times guys don't like doing things with so many people. They just want to do it on their own with families. Yeah, that too. I mean, like Corneille and all of them, they had rugby and whatnot on, so. Yeah. Go, Maddie.
Steep downhill. Steep downhill.
That is in the camera.
Steep downhill. Be careful not to fall.
Okay, mind your step. You alright there, baby?
Oh, yeah.
A penguin
Oh, yeah.
or a duck. But I've seen ducks walk straighter than penguins.
Walk like a duck.
No, just with your feet. I wonder how much longer before that one falls. You alright? Okay. What? Okay. Alright, Mida. You don't have to shout at the people anymore. Let them. Yeah. We've already been shouting a lot at the people to watch their steps. They must now. I know you're just trying to look after everybody, which we all appreciate, but now they must stop paying attention. You must lean back, not lean forward when you're going down, eh? Lean back.
I'm always putting you. That's my favorite.
There we go. There we go.
He's 7. Always putting his glasses. And then some.
Okay. Careful, careful. You alright?
Now when you have to use the rope, right?
We coming to the steep place.
Get that spot now where you have to use the rope to go down, eh?
Okay. Madison?
Just two.
One at a time. Just wait, one at a time. Okay, we got it.
Just jump in.
You pull it out.
Okay, just the raindrops being, or the water being blown out of the tree. Okay, so we are hitting a slope going down. Have you got it? Mida? Hold her hand, right, let her go. That's it. That's it. Madison, you're right there, baby. Okay, grab the rope, baby. Okay, hold it tight, eh? Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. There we go.
I came without a rope. I even came up without
Okay.
a rope.
With a stick.
Yeah.
You can see it's a nice steep slope.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Look at the stick, guys.
How's that hole in the rock?
Huh? Someone ate through a rock.
That is quite cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay. Come this way, onto the path, baby. Yeah, you see now. Come. Mind your step, eh? It's going to be very slippery here. Don't step on rocks alone. Okay, walk up in that little crack. No, up there. Yes, just up there. There we go. Mida, back away from your sister, but give her a chance. You're right on top of her, she can't move. Okay, where are you going? That way. Huh? How's that? Okay. Huh? Is a monkey? Nah,
They used to be.
used to be. Okay, mind your step, eh?
Then those go out.
You're gonna walk in front of me or in front of Daddy, baby? Put your feet sideways, eh? There we go. Nice steep one. Nice climb up. Careful. No, that was an accident. Okay. I think that's why.
Oh, yay, we're almost there.
Okay, and we are now at the stairs. Okay,
Stairs aren't steep anymore.
there we go. Nice one, Madison. Nice one, Madison. Yeah. Coming down. Yeah. Hoppa. Hoppa. That's it. Nice. We're almost there. Almost there. There we go. Nice one. Okay. That is the stairs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Still a bit of an up. Okay. So we are back at the fence. We are done. This is the finish. Okay. Right, so this is where we started. We came in over here. Very rocky under this ground. So it's probably also why the trees don't get root hold. So yeah, you might see a lot of soil on top. So underneath, by the looks of it, it is very rocky. Just walk past the tree that fell off, that fell over, and there's a whole lot of rocks. So it seems like rocky ground. You can even see on top here. But there, I mean, it's just stones and stones and stones. Okay, so yeah, we are on our way out. Trail lies basically probably like a kilometer or so left. I'm gonna say goodbye and thank you for watching. Mira, Madison, say goodbye to the camera, yeah. Okay, so yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe to LMM Family Adventures. Definitely hit the subscribe and the notification button, and we will catch you on the next outing. This was fun. A little bit tiring as you can probably hear of it, but that was awesome. Alright, see you next time.